Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Wi-Fi doesn't have a valid IP configuration error in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. Method on, you just need to go to search menu and type ncpa.cpl. Click on open it. Right click on your Wi-Fi and select disable option. After disabling it, you just need to right click on it and select enable it. After getting enabled, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator and select Yes. Now check my video description for this command used in my video. Just to copy and paste it one by one. And press enter. After getting both the commands done, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type network reset. Click on open it. Select the reset now option and select yes and reset your network settings. And after that, just to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.